Yo, what's good, guys? Today in this video, I'm gonna be using random kit fusions. So every match, I'm just gonna spin a wheel with all the bedwars kits on it, and whatever kits I get, I'm just gonna be using. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, we just loaded in, and after spinning the wheel, we got Grim Reaper and Death Adder. Okay, there's already for chasing me, so I'm just gonna beat him. I'm gonna go push him. Go push him real quick. Yo! Easy, little boy. I died, but I got it. I think I'm gonna start going for beds after I get axe. Anyways, I'm currently being chased by a bird armor. 2, 3. And I have 2 on me, so come on, baby. Team is going to be blind. Team is blind. This team is blind. Because there's 4 people for. Huh? 4 people rushing us. I'm gonna chase down this ball. This other tree. We gotta get smacked again, boy. Okay, I'm going to get a pro and an axe, and we're gonna start bringing bets. I'm gonna go for pink teams because this season is free and they've been annoying me the whole game, especially the other tree. Okay, where did my pro go? Hello, my pro. And I'm pretty sure if my eyes are like not deceiving me, then that pro should have landed. I don't know why. You got the thing ready? Ooh. Can I get at least plating? Oh my god, bro. Like nozzle. Okay, made it back to base safely. And I'm gonna buy tier 1. Plus, diamond tier 1. And I'll just camp until I armor and some blocks. Build up. Yup. Other tree's gonna be annoying for some reason. Oh my god, bro. Please. Please stop being annoying, bro. A little strike cannon. And we jump down for the bed break. Nice. And we should be able to get this bed, honestly. I don't really have any blocks, but it's on. I want this boy up. Nice. And we got the bed. Grim Reaper actually came in handy here because I used the ability and I just want to try the bed. Last bed is yellow bed and it looks pretty free. We do have a tier 3. I don't know how I feel about that. And this should be a free bed. Free bed. Let's see if I can get this mine in here. Okay. And if I had a mine station. Well, I've broken all the beds, and time to wipe. Just save it for iron. Oh my god, guys. I just got fed 95 emeralds by my teammate. teammate, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I have like stone sword, but I have emerald armor. Are you serious? Let me get this boy up. Oh my god. Boy is Evelyn. Evelyn, bro. I'm 26. Are you serious? Okay, I got my crystal. I'm gonna beam him. Boom. Okay, alright. Yo, Vanessa. Yo, I'm stuck in the animation. Bro, Vanessa, emerald armor, headhunter is actually OP. Teammates, bro. Come on. My sword is not swinging. My sword is not... Teammate, you're blind. Holy, bro. Oh my god. This kid is actually blind. What are you doing, teammate? Oh my god, bro. Hopefully I can calm this boy up. Okay. So, first match was lost, but we did get all dead. So, let's move on to the next match. Okay, guys, we have loaded in. And the kick combo is Arachne and Adatunde. I've actually never used Arachne before, but I think it's pretty bones. Wait, hold on. Nice. Okay, alright, bro. Alright, little bro, alright. Got some spotters down, my boy. First kill of the game. And we still got some spiders down. They're gonna die soon. This guy does not know I'm here, boy. Clueless. And I'm just gonna... Oh my god, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill. I'm just gonna upgrade my... I'm gonna upgrade my shield. Alright, bro. Yo, what are my spiders doing? Jute? Holy. Nice, spiders on lock. Dead? Hold up, let me just build up. Oh my god, bro, chill. Jack, bro, please. And I'm just gonna upgrade while I'm still alive. Upgrade my shield again. And how am I not dead, bro? Want my spiders? Okay, he's definitely bypassing my god. And I just sold fumes. Spawn some more spiders right here. Get him. Oh my god. Spiders. Go. More spiders. Thing's kind of OP. Okay, chill bro, chill. I have 7 crystals on me bro. Please. There ain't no way he fell for that, bro. Oh my god. There's some spiders on him. Yeah, spider spam. Build up. More spiders. Oh my god, bro. Spiders? Probably not even OP, but I mean it is always. Yo chill, bro. Yo chill. I have 8 crystals on me. Yo chill, bro. Chill. Oh my god. I'm making some more spiders. Yes. Get him, spiders. Yo chill, bro. Okay, my team has a bracelet. Nice. Yo chill, bro. Oh my god. Can you stall him? Nice. Bro, chill, bro. My team, bro. Where is my team? Okay, we almost have max or max shield. And our rage blade version is still alive, which is nice. We need 2 more crystals, which we can just get right now. I remember what you did to our bed, boy. Oh shoot. Okay, we have enough. Combo. Okay, I'm just getting free crystals off air. Spiders for protection. Okay, and I'm the only one now. Just realized that, by the way. Wow. Need a way for them to leave. Need a way for both of them to leave. It's fine. Free bed. With the bed, throw away. Nice. Perfect timing also. Killed the Zephyr Bob. Okay, just go there. Free bed. And bridge away. Hopefully no one spills me down. One spotters. We got the bed. Build up and recall. Back to base. There we go. 3 webs down. I'm gonna do that. Boom. And we should be able to win this fight. Oh my god. Holy anti-cheat, bro. Oh, you're not safe now, boy. Get them spiders. I can walk on this shit too. Oh. He's running. Oh wow. Oh my god. And you're still trying. Oh my god. Okay, so now it's a 1v2. And we have killed one. Now it's a 1v1 and very winnable. If I get diamond armor, nice. Okay, or it's just spawned, perfect timing. Pop my shield. And we have, oh my god, we have lost. He just has too much HP. Alright, let's move on to our third and final match. Okay guys, we just loaded into the match and we actually got Attitude Day again, paired with Agni. Attitude Day Agni, I feel like it actually be a pretty good combo, decent, because you get the jump boost, you get the advantage of fire damage and the cluster bombs to throw them. Plus, with Attitude Day damage to shield, it'll be fire. First victim, the skull kit, high advantage, nice, oh my god. And teammate got the finishing, which is great. Attack for shield. I'm just gonna do shield for now and doing great. Got cluster bomb again. Cluster bomb this right here. And let's just go here. Nice. We've died though. I don't know why I said nice. Oh, it's because I came here. Alright, I'm just gonna chase this guy down. Juke. I just got him good. Like, he cannot do anything about the hand advantage. I'm gonna upgrade my damage and my cooldown. And free miner statue. Throw my cluster bomb. Advantage. And I have got Skull and Grim Reaper. Can you get the skull lock on him? Nice. Nice. Me and my team got him. And he left. Where's left? Come on. Archer, I think? Oh. Yeah, Vanessa Archer. And wow, I just, oh, wow, he just auto-mined the statue. Alright, we don't want to win this match. Build up, because I don't want to be calling everyone jazz, you know what I'm saying? Get this blow off my teammate. Got him. And nice. And you're controlling it. Okay, someone right here. Let's get him. Got him. Infest this cat. And infest his mech also. Oh, this Vanessa Archer. Actually, OP. He is going to one of them. I got 5. I'm just gonna upgrade my damage. Oh wow. That's just on this guy here. Nice. Nice, nice. I think it's the other one right here. And I filled him. Filled up. Oh my god, bro. I'm feeling this guy's hacking or he's just on ult. Killed him. Oh my god. Such a stretch. And I could rush him, I think. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. He's an SR shit. If you guys crossbar had to rush again. Oh my god, I'm just soloing the whole team at this point. Wow, oh my god. Nice. Oh, I got 11 crystals on me. I got dead. I don't got anything. I don't got any blocks. Oh, frick. We got blocks here. Nice. Hold up. Escape. Nice. And this thing was like I think, hacker. I'm not sure. Yeah, he's hitting through walls. Okay. It's fine. No, I'm just upgrading my damage. Alright, yeah, he just saw them on me. Oh, wow, teammate got pink team bed. Nice. Nice snipe. You're not running away from me, little bro. Use my ability. Nice! And this wild archer probably gonna kill me. Please, please, please. And we have survived. Oh my god. Nice. Wow. I should go to bed. He's not rage hacking. Oh my god, I was not even. Oh wow. He has fallen into the void. Oh, can you pro clutch? And I have killed the hacker. Oh. 31, so it should be easy now. Where is this boy? Am I blind? Okay, I'm not blind. Let's just go around the map, searching for him. Oh my god, bro, there's no way. Almost. Great clutch. Double clutch. Yep. Double clutch. Oh my god. Instead of that guy clutching, it's me clutching. That's why oh wow, and I just totally killed him. I'm bringing my whatever it's called. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Rank video probably tomorrow. Peace.